This entire cinematic AI short was created from still images. In this video, I'll show you every step from the first idea to the finished result. We're going to build a complete story called The Last Flower on Earth, using ChatGPT for the images and Grok for the animation. Start with one idea that can be understood immediately. For this short, a lonely robot discovers and protects the last flower on Earth. Keep the structure simple. Establish the world, introduce the discovery, create danger, show the response, then finish with an emotional payoff. Before creating any story scene, lock the main character. Define the face, body, colors, materials, and proportions once, then repeat them exactly. Next, lock the visual style. Abandoned futuristic city, weathered realism, orange sunset, blue shadows, and a hopeful cinematic mood. Scene 1 establishes the world, an empty city where the small service robot appeared to the only thing still moving. A wide establishing shot explains the location and makes the robot feel small and alone before the story begins. Scene 2 introduces the discovery. The flower is tiny, so the robot's reaction tells the viewer that it matters. Scene 3 creates the emotional connection. Small, careful movement makes the robot feel gentle without requiring dialogue. Each image prompt follows the same order: subject, action, environment, camera composition, lighting, mood, and a clear avoid list. Scene 4 introduces danger. The approaching storm creates a simple visual question: will the fragile flower survive? For each clip, choose one main camera movement. Here, the slow pullback reveals the danger without making the shot chaotic. Scene 5 contains the main emotional action. The robot chooses to protect something weaker than itself. The animation prompt specifies the camera, subject action, environmental movement, lighting behavior, consistency rules, and everything Grok must avoid. Scene 6 delivers the payoff. The flower survives, rain returns, and new life begins to appear around the robot. The final image expands the meaning of the story. One protected flower becomes the beginning of a living city. Keep the short's narration brief. Describe only what the images cannot communicate by themselves, and let the visuals carry the emotion. In a city where nothing grew, one forgotten machine found something impossible: a single living flower. When the storm came, the robot did what no one had programmed it to do. It chose to protect life. And by morning, the last flower was no longer the last. Sometimes hope survives because someone decides it should. Use sound to complete the world. Light wind, mechanical footsteps, storm impact, gentle rain, and restrained emotional music. Place the 6 clips in story order, add the narration, then build the sound effects and music underneath. Let the opening breathe, increase the pace when the storm arrives, then slow down again for the emotional ending.
In a city where nothing grew, one forgotten machine found something impossible: a single living flower.
When the storm came, the robot chose to protect life. By morning, the last flower was no longer the last.
Before exporting, check image sharpness, character consistency, motion quality, voice clarity, sound balance, and the final frame size. That's the complete workflow: idea, storyboard, consistent images, controlled animation, narration, sound, and editing. Next, I'll show you how to create clickable AI YouTube thumbnails.